And so I didn't expect this to ever happen, but it did. How do I do this to myself? And why do I do this to myself? I don't know how I managed to do this, but I do. And it's so funny when I do. What? Breathe! I'm gonna stop saying weird crap. But yeah, that was fun. Finally got on the Warlords weekly leaderboards. And I only need 8 more wins till I'm number 1. I'm not getting in top. I'm not getting number 1 weekly kills. And somehow I am very close to getting monthly wins. So I'm not even close to monthly kills, am I? Oh, I actually am. Only 30 more. I mean, 600 more. Like 650-ish? 651. No, 649. Exactly. You get 1 above the number 10 person. And I need 33 wins to get number 10 on monthly. I don't know how I managed to do this to myself. Well, I'm prepared for target. Because I know that's gonna happen. Whee!